We're getting ready to paint, and this no groove T111 is supposed to have battens, but I've decided against that, so I'm filling in any nail holes. I think the battens would make it look like I'm living in a jail. Maybe this is silly, but I can always do battens later on if I want. Between these two windows is my only shear wall. I started staining cedar siding for the upper end. And I gotta still choose colors. I think we're going to paint the soffits first, and so I'm just going around trying to fix up any imperfections. It's a good day to paint. Color choosing is probably not my greatest strength. I once painted a house bright orange. Neighbors didn't seem to like it too much. I got this shark skin underlayment for free, but just ran short. As they're painting the walls, I go around and paint all the fascia boards. Holding a camera and a paint roller, I gotta be careful I don't fall off. The heating and cooling company put in their lines and also all the vents. I need to give a big shout out to John Besson and Ron Thacker for their recent generous donations to the channel. You're helping to keep the paint flowing. Thanks very much. I finished up my door installation and got the lock set on. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm starting to feel really tired, but when I see progress, it gives me a little extra life. So just keep on moving on. The roofers are here today. I told the framers to take a day off. I just didn't want people bumping into each other. Such a small work site. While the roofers are busy, I continue my staining. These guys really get at it, and in no time I've got a beautiful new roof. So in some spots I've got a squeaky floor that's driving me bananas. I go underneath and I see there are a lot of nails that missed joists. While under there, I almost take a nap. I decide to take a break, and to my surprise, I find a wood-fired oven pizza place in town that's really delicious. The New Yorker in me is revitalized. The next day, the work continues. I notice that the roofers use 1.25" nails all around, and my once finished open soffits don't look so good. I'm not really happy, though maybe those longer nails will hold better. Anyway, it'll take a lot of work to get that straight. My buddies come to cheer me up.
Yeah, stay over there. I'm busy working.
I really like how the cedar siding is coming along. The back of the house is pretty much done. I go crazy and I finish painting all the trim in one day. Rather than drive back the long distance where I'm staying, I decide to sleep in my new home. Good enough for me. The next day, the framers are done. Jason and Jose, thanks so much. A lot more fooling around to do.